Your rental property should work for you, not the other way around. Hi, I'm Robert Delasso with MasterKey Property Management, and we help investors simplify the day-to-day of owning rentals so you can focus on building wealth and enjoying the returns. We specialize in long-term residential rental management throughout Raleigh, Cary, Durham, and the surrounding triangle. Our systems are built to reduce vacancy, protect your investment, and keep everything running smoothly. Here's what sets MasterKey apart. With our results guarantee, you don't pay us a dime until we lease your property to a qualified tenant. And if a tenant we place is evicted during the first lease term, we'll re-rent your property at no additional leasing costs. That's our Eviction Guarantee. We also offer pet damage protection, up to $1,000 in added coverage for any pet we approve. Our happiness guarantee means you can cancel any time after the first 6 months of the initial lease term. Just give us 60 days notice, no penalties, no pressure. With our full service management plan, we handle everything: leasing, tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance coordination, renewals, inspections. Each move-in also includes a detailed photo-based inspection report, so your property is protected from day one. You'll also have easy access to monthly owner statements. You'll receive your payments via direct deposit, and you'll have 24/7 access to your reports and documents through your online owner portal. Our pricing is simple. 8 to 10% of the rent collected is your monthly management fee, and 50% of 1 month's rent for finding a new tenant. No hidden charges, no surprise markups, just reliable expert service. Could you find cheaper property management? Maybe. But with that comes hidden fees, unreachable staff, and high tenant turnover. At MasterKey, we offer clear communication, dependable systems, and a team that actually picks up the phone and returns emails. If you're ready for stress-free property management with real results, we'd love to connect. Call us at 919-655-3950 or visit us at www.masterkeypm.com to learn more.